Hi guys, it's Deborah from Diamonds Jewel by Deborah. Well, I managed to, with all the craziness going on in my life, to be able to get part 3 of the March clearance. We're going to do 49 items. There is nothing over $5. How you're going to claim this is I will give you a number and I will show you the item, and what you're going to do is you're going to claim in this video. So down here in the comment section, you're going to claim it by number. First come, first serve. So what I will look at is the timestamp from when the comment was made, and if it's sold, if it is not sold, I will reply to you, got it, gotcha, something like that, and let you know. If it has already previously been sold and you hadn't refreshed, or I hadn't gotten a chance to update the sold list, I will let you know which item is gone. So, all right, and some of these pieces you guys have never seen. So we're going to get started, and I will keep a completed sold list. So let me get a couple numbers out. All right, we're going to get started. So, all right, well, let's go with these. These are super cute. The Chick Petunia. These are convertible earrings, so they're an earring with a earring extra piece. Super cute. The Chick Petunia, really precious. We're going to do those for $2, number 1. Number 2 is The Adventure Begins Northwest Southeast little necklace, or yeah, it's either an, oh no, it's a bracelet. So for the graduates, so we'll do that number 2 for $1. Okay, number 3 is a adjustable bracelet. This is glass, and they're like a beige with an orange, really pretty glass. Number 3, we're going to do that for $1. Number 4 is another one of those adjustable bracelets. It is blue with like an orange and white glass adjustable bracelet. We'll do that for $1. Number 5 is alpaca. This is cute. Let me get you guys a measurement on this. This one's important. So it's a size 7. Really beautiful, beautiful piece. I love alpaca out of Mexico. It is not sterling. It is not silver. It's a bunch of other stuff. But we will go ahead and do number 5 for $2. It is so precious. Number 6 is a new with the tag Charming Charlie. It was originally $14. It is a stretch bracelet. Number 6, we're going to do that for $2. Number 7 is a black stretchy bracelet. This is, I think, Ink, I-N-C. I'm not sure who that maker's mark is. It's really cute. Number 7, final clearance for $1. Number 8 is a small choker with a gold tone slide with rhinestones. This is pretty small. Number 8, we're going to do that for $1. Number 9. Okay, so this is a Betsy Johnson tag. I don't know if it's legit or not. And there is no pendant or anything on it, so it's just a chain with the heart. But this is a nice chain. We will go ahead and do number 9 for $2. Number 10 is a vintage, oops, I just knocked you guys. This is like a beige 3-layer vintage necklace. So it clips like that over there. It is faux pearls and acrylic. Number 10, we're going to do that for $1. Number 11 is precious. Look at this. So these are ceramic, and it's purple hearts, or excuse me, purple flowers. Really nice, nice condition. You guys never seen this one before. Number 11, we'll do it for $5. It's beautiful. Grab some more numbers out. So I hope you guys are loving this. You know, it's been a little crazy. Family first, of course, you know. So I have taken some time off from my live sales. I will be coming back in April with my live sales on Saturdays, pending, you know, how things are going. So, all right. Well, this is a beautiful silver tone long necklace. Beautiful condition. Number 12. We'll do that for $2. Number 13 is a cha-cha necklace. Let me see if I can lay this out. All right, no name on it. It is silver tone. Has these really pretty, like platinum colored faux beads. We're going to do that for $2. Number 13. Number 14 is a fun bracelet. RM, and it's got these little pups on it. It's really precious. It's adjustable. Number 14 we'll do for $2. Number 15 is a statement necklace. No maker's mark on it. It does have all of its colors. Really pretty. We'll do that final clearance for $1. That could be made into something really beautiful. Number 16 is a silver tone Ann Taylor necklace. There is some wear to the silver tone, and this is an acrylic, really pretty green. It has a ball there, and it is Ann Taylor. And number 16 we'll do for $2. Number 17 is a J. Crew stretch bracelet. It is kind of stretched out, but it's still wearable. Number 17 we'll do that J. Crew for $1. Number 18 is a gold tone necklace, New York. These are acrylic, so it lays like this, and then you've got the faux pearls down here. Number 18 we'll do for $1. Number 19 is a necklace that says, I am safe, I am grounded, I am centered, I am balanced. So it's a little necklace with some affirmations. Number 19 we'll do for $1. Get some more numbers here. So I tried to get some different items out that maybe you guys haven't seen, or if you have seen them, it's been a while. All right, this is really pretty. So this is a rope. Love that design. And then look at the dangles, you guys. So those are shell, this is wood, and these are beads. This is really pretty for summer. No maker's mark on it. Number 20, we'll do that one for $2. It's beautiful. That could look great with your summer outfits. All right. Next one is really pretty. So these are glass and acrylic beads. Comes down to a gorgeous tassel. I love this. And then you have a suede. The suede could definitely use a little bit of a cleanup. There is some wear on your metal, but it is beautiful. And I think, if I remember correctly, this one is an agate. Really pretty. So number 21, you guys, I don't think I've seen this one. We're going to do that for $2. Number 22 is, you can hear it coming. I love this necklace. So you have these acrylics. I'm going to move you guys a little bit. Okay. So you have these acrylics in like an off-white. You have howlite and faux pearls. It is in a brass tone. Really beautiful necklace. We're going to do number 22 for $2. Clank, clank. Number 23 is Alex and Ani, and it is a faceted, I believe, yep, glass. Let me check it. Check it on my thing here. Yep, it is glass. It is number 23. We'll do that for $2. Nice piece. Number 24. You guys have seen this before. This is final clearance. Brass tone with a yellow and beads. It is in excellent, excellent condition. But final clearance, number 24 is $1. Number 25 is a fun ring. Let me see if I have my ring mandrel on set. Okay, nope, it's behind me. All right, so you have an enameled daisy. It's gold tone. There is wear on the back. I want you guys to see that. So it's a size 6. Isn't that cute? The enameling's in great condition. We'll go ahead and do number 25 for $2. I don't think we need the ring mandrel, so I'll put that back. So number 26 has some wear here on the brass tone, but it's really pretty. Greens, excuse me, blacks, purples. I love these beads. Aren't they fantastic? Yeah, there's green on here too. This is a gorgeous necklace. Number 26 $2. 27 is a bracelet, and this is marked, what is that marked? Oh, it's marked Mark, M-A-R-K. So it's a cha-cha. These are acrylic. It's in black. It is toggle adjustable, 27. We'll do that for $2. Grab some more numbers. Number 28. We are going to do a blue and gold tone bangle. That measures in at just about an 8. We'll do that for $1. Number 29 is another bangle. This one just has a little sticker on the inside. It has rhinestones. Alright, so it's a little bit over an 8. I'm just making sure all the rhinestones are there. Looks like it. We'll do number 29 for $1. Number 30 is gold tone choker necklace. And this is marked either UA or VM. Whatever you guys want it to say. It is definitely a choker for a small neck. It is heavy duty. Number 30. We'll do it for $2. I don't know who the maker is. I didn't get a chance to look at it. Okay, final clearance. This is a multi-strand. These are glass, and then you have acrylic beads in a gunmetal. Really pretty bracelet. Number 31, final clearance, $1. Number 32 is a stretchy glass and a faux pearl bracelet. 32 is $1. Number 33 is another one of these beautiful shells. I love these. Bracelet stretch, 33. We'll do that for $2. Number 34 is, let me check and see if that's glass. Yes, it is. It is glass, and it is a gold tone faceted bracelet. Really lovely. We'll do that one. And it's like a rose goldy gold, if that makes sense. Number 34, we'll do that for $2. Where can you get a glass bracelet for that, right? All right. Number 35 says Inspire, and it's upside down. Here we go, Inspire. It is gold tone. It is a bolo style bracelet. 35. We'll do that for $2. Let me grab another tray here because I see one earring in here, so I've lost an earring somewhere. I will find it. Don't you worry. All right, next one. 36 is a gold tone smaller bangle. Really pretty. It's pretty sturdy. Number 36. We'll do that for $1. Grab the rest of my numbers. So we're doing 49 items for this round. And then I will see you guys on the April ones. Alright, so then we have a hinged silver tone bracelet. There's some wear right there. We're going to do that final clearance for $1. No one's going to see the inside, right? So 38 is a seed bead bracelet, stretchy. Oh, that's just a string. Okay, so really pretty. 38, we'll do it for $1. Number 39 says, oh, what a beautiful mess. I can relate with that. And it looks like it's copper. It is a pretty, pretty bracelet. 39, we'll do that for $2. Number 40 is a pair of teal earrings. They are string. The string looks like they are intact. Yep. So really pretty. They're about 2.5 inches long. Number 40. We'll do those for $1. Pretty color for summer. Number 41 is a Pura Vida or a Plunder. I think this is Pura Vida stretch bracelet. Adjustable bracelet. We'll do that for $1. Number 42 is a pair of faux tortoiseshell earrings. These are acrylic with like a creamy white. Super pretty. Number 42, we'll do those for $1. 43 is gorgeous. This is like a rubber, like a hard rubber. It's beautiful. Let me get that measurement for you since it is a thick bangle. I would say best at about a 7.5. Number 43, it's beautiful. Nice animal print. We'll go ahead and do that for $2. Number 43. Okay, Number 44 is gorgeous. You guys have not seen this. So we have a string here, and this lays out like this. Really pretty. These are like a wood, and they're painted with like a fern leaf or something. And then you've got these beautiful designs, and then seed beads in there. This is number 44. It's $5. Number 45 is a pair of earrings. These are a brushed gold tone, almost like a brass tone earring. We will go ahead and do those for $1. 46, another pair of earrings. These are really pretty. I've had the string earrings before, but never with rhinestones in them. So these are like a deep Kelly green. They're in really nice condition. I was surprised. And they have the rhinestones, so 46 will do for $2. 47 is, let me find the other earring. So it is a gold tone earring. There is a little bit of wear here. They have rhinestones and wire. I'm just making sure all the rhinestones are there. They definitely need a clean, but they're pretty. So we'll go ahead and do 47 for $2. Number 48. Let's see. We'll do 3 pair of silver tone earrings. They are new on the card. Number 48. We're going to clear those out for $1. All right, and the last one for this, let me find something with some color. All right, we will do this stretch bracelet. We have purple glass, stretchy with silver tone. Number 49 is $1. All right, you guys, so don't forget how you're going to claim these is you're going to claim by number down here in the comment section. No need to email me. And I will do a timestamp to see who came in first. If there is more than one person interested, I will also keep that sold list right below as well. And if they come in overnight, I will update it in the morning. So, all right, you guys, I have... yeah, that's it for the March clearance. I will see you in April with part 1 for April. And like I said, I can do these probably 2, 3, 4 times a month. So make sure you leave a comment. Let me know. Do you guys love these? I love these. All right. Well, you guys have a fantastic day. And as always, be well. Take care of each other. And please tell someone you love them today. It's really important. All right, you guys. I'll see you real soon. Claim down below. Bye.